So today we're going to take the footage that we made, hello! Hello and welcome to Lockdown Learning with me, with Tragic O'Hara. Today what we're going to do is we'll take the footage that we produced last time, all the things we filmed, chucking toilet rolls about, whatever you chose, and we're going to edit it. Instead of doing our editing on a desktop or a laptop or whatever, I thought we would use our iPads. If you've got a phone, this will also work on your phone, or a tablet, or anything. The app we're going to use is an app called Quik. Quik's a great thing if you want to make a really quick montage or something. Say you go out, when you're allowed back out, got some clips of what you've done during the day. Quik will go in and recognise what it thinks is the best bits, people's faces, stuff like that, and it will kind of compile it all together into a montage. It can be a bit pernickety when you're trying to edit something manually, but you can do it. This is how you do it. When you open up Quik, this is what it will look like. If you filmed everything on your phone, all your files will be there. You won't need to worry. If you're going to edit on an iPad or a tablet or whatever it is you've got, you're going to need to transfer your files onto that. To do that, I use this. I always use Google Drive. So I upload all my files onto this, and then I download them onto this iPad, and then I can edit them. So, as you can see here at the very top, there, that's all my clips. So I'm going to import these all in to my project. So if I hit this wee plus button here at the bottom, this will open up the clips. So this is what I mean if you wanted to make a montage, you could just select everything and it would do it for you. I am going to import, not that one because that was a test edit, I'm going to import the clips there. Before I do that though, if we come down to the bottom, I'm just going to use my finger and I'm going to drag them into the order that they came in, that I filmed them. So I know that one's my first, there's my second, then from there we went outside into the back garden, then from there we threw it out the front door of the kitchen, and then we done it in front of Deadpool, and that's it. And I'm going to hit add up in the right hand corner, and that will bring everything in. Along the bottom here, you've got your transitions in the first one, your music in the second one. Here is the clips that you can then edit and move around if you've made any mistakes, and your settings, right, if you want to add filters and stuff. We are going to go to music, right, and you can hear some of the music if you want, and it will automatically play. These are all free, but I'm going to use no sound at all because I don't want to hear the speaking, I don't want to hear any of that stuff. You can keep yours in if you want. Then in the transitions, so as I said about Quik, it's very good for taking loads of clips and making a video, just a one-off video straight away. But for editing individual clips, we want to make sure that our transitions are set to raw. Now what that means is it's just beginning, end, no transition between the videos. We need to define a beginning and an end of every clip, basically. So now that that's done, if I just touch the actual video and hit the wee pencil tool, that's going to open up this, and where we can go in and delete clips, duplicate clips, trim them down, etc, etc. First thing I want to do is I want to delete this title screen. So if you didn't see that because I was too quick, there's the wee bin. That's how you delete something. Along the bottom here you can see there's all different things. So in this clip I filmed the beginning and the end, so I'm going to duplicate it. But this won't allow me to move that to the end, so I need to hit OK and come back to not our music but the third one in, which is a little play button, which will allow me to drag that, use my finger, to the end. So I can start editing. Pencil tool again, swipe back to the start, and we want to go to a pair of scissors, which is basically trim. Now I want to find the beginning of this where the toilet roll is thrown, and I want to cut it when as soon as the toilet roll leaves the frame. Along the bottom here you'll see balanced, manual, action, travel, people, and highlight only. So you can highlight what bit of your clip you want to use. If there's a face, it will automatically pick the face, and if it's making an automatic kind of montage, it will use that. But we want to go to manual, which will get rid of that whole stuff, and we can start to swipe through to have a look. This here, the little orange bit, is where the beginning of our clip's going to be. So I'm just going to keep going along until I can find the bit that I want. I think it's near the end. Then at the other side, drag in your little orange one, the other side, till you can see it disappear. Once you've set that, hit OK. And then you can move on to your next one. And repeat. One of the easiest way to do this is, see your play button on the left, just let your video play until you know the clip that you want to use, then hit pause. Then you'll know where you're going to be setting your orange playhead. There we go. That's, as you can see, the toggle starting to come in. There. And it leaves there. I'm just going to go ahead and do all these now that you know what to do. Slide in with the right. That's your left, obviously. Slide in with the left, slide in with your right, and then just hit OK. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of these. The good thing about this is, see if you go through later and decide that a bit doesn't look right, you can, when you hit that trim button, it will keep the entire clip there, and you can still manipulate left or right. If you wanted to add filter, the thing is, because this is jumping between inside and outside, the lighting's constantly changing. But if you were filming inside somewhere, or you were constantly outside somewhere, you could use different filters to make your footage look a bit different. Kind of like Instagram. There we go. So now we need to share it. So if we hit the save button, you can save it. You can share it straight to Facebook, Instagram, or if you go down to photo library, it will export the whole thing to a clip, which you can then go into your photos and watch like that. So thank you very much for watching. You can get me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Mr. Tragic O'Hara. Make sure you go and join the Facebook group. The link will be in the description below. Post up your videos. Let me see what you've been making. And if there's any suggestions on what you would like to learn next, post them in that group, or leave them in the comments below. And thank you very much. And if you can contribute to the GoFundMe page I've set up, that would be amazing too, to help me keep making videos like this for you guys to use with your families and learning video editing and stuff for free. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. I'm not making another one.